Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the node before method to insert elements and strings before another element in the DOM. You call the node before method on the node you want to insert your content before, and then you pass in one or more new elements or strings as arguments. In this example, I have a div that has the text good evening in it. And I am going to use the document create element method to create a paragraph with the text hello in it. And I'm going to use the document query selector method to get the existing app element in the DOM. On the app element, I'm going to call the before method and pass in my new paragraph as an argument. And if we jump over to the browser, you can see now that our new hello paragraph shows up before the existing good evening in the UI. You can also inject more than one item by passing in multiple arguments, including strings. So here I'm going to inject our paragraph, and then I'm also going to add this string, what's poppin'. And if we jump over and reload, you can see now our hello paragraph, as well as this what's poppin' string, show up before good evening in the DOM.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.